Hi, thanks for joining us for the next video in our series demonstrating the features and functionality of Syscon PlantStar's manufacturing execution system. Today we're going to be looking at how easy it is to set up a new data collection module and to get machines connected to that DCM. So here we can see the data collection module interface. We've already got one DCM that has been set up. A data collection module is the hardware power behind our manufacturing execution system solutions. It has unmatched shop floor redundancy in terms of its capacity for handling, processing, and analyzing all of the data from your shop floor, from all of your machines, from your materials, your totes, your gaylords, from the processes that are running on your shop floor, from the personnel who are using the machines, from your edge devices like AGVs, barcode scanners, things like that. So the data collection module is what enables the system to give you the data insight that you need in order to optimize your manufacturing processes. Let us know if you have any questions about data collection modules. We make them here in-house. The hardware is proprietary. We test it, we service it, and we do the install. So we're your one-stop shop for digital transformation solutions. So here we can see that the DCM that we already have is a browser-based piece of hardware. You access it through an IP address. When we do install, customers will tell us what they want the IP address of their DCMs to be. And so that is customizable according to your own network configurations. We have several machines running on this DCM currently. Let's look at how we would create a new DCM. We would give it a name. So for right now, let's just say we're going to call it a test DCM. Comments if there's anything that you need in-house to distinguish this DCM from another DCM, you can make those comments here. You would enter the IP address where you want the DCM to live. Is enabled allows you to control whether or not the DCM is going to send data up to the application processing unit, to the brain, if you will, of our manufacturing execution system. There are some use cases where you would want a DCM to be not enabled, but we're going to leave ours enabled for right now. Each DCM includes a total of 16 digital inputs. Any of those inputs can be enabled or not, depending on what you would like to do, how you would like to configure your DCM. We have the ability for you to set debounce. If you've got a button that you're pushing that is causing some kind of internal interference and you need to regulate the system's ability to stabilize, you can set a debounce time that will eliminate unnecessary or unwanted ticks in your system. Each DCM has a total of 8 digital outputs. This is how the system collects the data from the machines. So you don't necessarily need to enable all of those or to use all of them. You can certainly put more than one machine on a DCM conditioned to how many signals or inputs or outputs you need to collect from that machine. We also have the capability for you to add analog inputs. Some of our legacy machines do not have the capability for digital inputs and outputs, and we are very well versed in how to create analog inputs for older machinery so that you can continue to use the assets that are already on your shop floor. You would click Save. We don't necessarily have all of the data in here that's going to allow us to do that, but that's what you would do. Then you would see that new DCM appear right here. If we click over to that DCM, you can see that it is named right here, and then this is all of the information that is contained from that DCM, from the machines that are running on it and giving the data. So thanks for joining us. We hope that you learned something from this video. Please reach out to us if you have any questions, if you would like to schedule a full demo of our system, or if there's anything else that we can do along your journey to digital transformation.